Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to dispute a transaction on PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the application, or just go to the web page where you can go on paypal.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, we have the send tab, wallet, activity and help. And we also have some other things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and dispute a transaction on PayPal. First of all, you need to log into your PayPal account and go to the resolution center. After doing that, after going to the center, click on dispute a transaction under the report a problem and select the transaction you want to dispute. After you selected the transaction that you want to dispute, guys, you need to select the item dispute and specify the problem with the purchase or an unauthorized purchase. After that, send a message to the seller to resolve the issue within 20 days. After you send that, if the seller does not respond or cooperate, escalate this dispute to PayPal for further investigation. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.